fourth graders, welcome to Writer's Workshop Online Learning Style for Monday. So we had recently, when we were at school, finished our opinion writing unit, and then we worked on the opinion writing test. So now we're moving into informational writing. And if you remember from third grade, informational writing, the purpose is to teach others about a topic, right? When we read informational books, we're reading to learn about that topic. So as the writers, we're writing to teach others about something that we know a lot about. Because we're all experts on different things, depending kind of what we're interested in. So our TP for today on Monday is informational writers choose a topic they know a lot about and are interested in. Okay, so kind of two things to guide your thinking there. Something you know a lot about and that you're interested in. Okay, because when we work on this writing, we want a good amount of our writing to come from our own knowledge, things we already know about the topic. And then on the second part, we want to make sure we're interested in it because we will ask you to do a little bit of research and include some of the things you research into your writing. So we want it to be a little bit of your own knowledge and a little bit of research based. So I'm going to give you two suggestions on ways to think about things that you might know a lot about that you could write about. So then you'll have time to brainstorm after this video. So the first thing would be to think about things you love to do. So I'm going to write things I love to do. So I'm going to think about that, and that could be things I love to do at school. It could be things that I love to do at home, or things I love to do outside of my house, ways I spend my free time. So for me, I've already thought about it because I don't make the video too long. So I love to play volleyball. Okay, I grew up playing volleyball and I still like to play for fun. So I'm going to write, let's see, under it, play volleyball. Okay. Another thing that I really like to do is I like to go swimming. Okay, I like to go in the pool when it's hot. So I'm going to add that. Things I like to do, go swimming. Okay. And for now, I'm just going to come up with those two ideas, but you're obviously encouraged to come up with as many as you can of things that you love to do. So then the second strategy, things I love to do. The second one is going to be places I love to go, right? Because if you have a place that you really like to go, you probably go a lot, and you're probably an expert on it. You probably know a lot about it. So places I love to go. All right, so if you're in my class, you should know this one, and if you're not, you might know anyways. I'm a big Dodger fan, so I love to go to Dodger Stadium. So that's the first one I'm going to write down. Okay. Some other places that I love to go, like kind of going along with the idea of swimming, I really enjoy going to the beach. So I'm going to write that down as an idea. The beach. Some other places, I enjoy going to the gym so that I can be active and stay healthy and do some workouts. But don't worry, not right now, gyms are closed. I'm doing PE at home, just like you guys. So the gym. Okay. And I also like to go to Disneyland, and I think I know a lot about Disneyland, so I'm going to add that as my last idea. Disneyland. Okay, so so far right now, we know that we gather ideas by thinking about things we love to do and places we love to go. So in your Writer's Workshop notebook, if you took it home or on a piece of paper, you will just divide your paper in half. So if you can see on the video, I'm not sure how well you can see. If this is your paper, just right over here, things I love to do, and then draw a line and places. and then you can list out your ideas of things you love to do and places you love to go. And once you've come up with as many as you can in each column, go ahead and you'll want to choose one seed idea. And that's the idea that you'll be working with over the next week to go ahead and write an informational piece on. So again, you want to make sure it's something you really do know a lot about. You could write a lot about it just from the knowledge you have. And then you would also be interested in researching a little bit about this topic. Okay, so when I look at my ideas, those are what I want to think. Do I know a lot about it? And could I do a little bit more research on it to find out some other things? So you can write down your ideas and then feel free to circle the one you're going to choose or highlight. And then just follow your teacher's directions on how your teacher... This is my cat. Say hi, Henry. You're on video. Go over there. You will want to follow your teacher's directions on how to get out, how to message them what your topic will be. Okay, so again, today we learned that informational writers choose a topic they know a lot about and are interested in. And your goal is to take however long you need to brainstorm ideas and then let your teacher know what topic it is that you will be writing about. My students, you will be commenting right below on this in Google Classroom on the video what your topic will be, and then Miss Sodom and Miss Wong's kids just follow whatever directions your teachers gave you. Okay, good luck, and feel free to email your teacher with any questions.